Guys, this won't be a very long video. I want to ask you if the sound is normal. Anyway, it's really annoying. So tell me down in the comments if it's normal. Because I can crack my nose. Only to the left though, it doesn't work on the right. So tell me in the comments what you think that noise was. And see you next time, Cuckoo Cow. Let's hear the moo. I didn't do the moo in the last video. Anyway, let's hear the moo.